Hi everyone! So sa video na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung 4 na useful na bagay na pwede niyong gawin sa Gmail. Una, kung paano gumawa ng Google Calendar event mula sa isang email. Pangalawa, kung paano gumawa ng Gmail signature. Pangatlo, kung paano gumawa ng email template. At pang-apat, kung paano tanggalin ang signature bago isave ang template. So simulan na natin. So una, of course bubuksan natin yung Gmail at, piliin natin yung email na gusto nating gawan ng calendar event. So ito yun, kunyari. So bubuksan natin 'yan and then makikita natin dito yung, 3 dots na 'to, na by more. So 3 dots or more option and then, pipiliin natin yung create event. Okay, so nagbukas siya ng, ibang ano, automatic, magbubukas ng Google Calendar kung saan makikita niyo yung event, details. So, andito na 'yan. Puwede mong i-edit itong title mo and then puwede mong palitan yung date kung kailan mo siya gustong, makita sa calendar mo or to remind you. And then puwede mo ng alisin 'tong, Google Meet since hindi ka naman makikipag-meeting, you can adjust the notification and then, puwede mo rin siyang palitan ng color kung gusto mo and also add information, dito sa text, area na 'to. And then of course, 'wag mong kakalimutang alisin yung mga nandun sa email katulad nito para hindi sila makasali doon sa ginagawa mong calendar kasi, ang aim mo lang naman is to create your own reminder for yourself, or for your client. And then save. So, eto na siya. As you can see meron na akong nagawa kaninang iba. But, eto na siya. So, nakalagay na siya sa iyong, calendar. So, we hit two birds with one stone, isang email management and then calendar management. Okay. So, next naman is paano gumawa ng, Gmail signature. So here, pupunta tayo dito sa, upper right-hand part ng, ating, Gmail and itong gear icon, gear icon, ka-click natin 'yan and then punta tayo sa all settings. So under general, bababa tayo dun sa, here, signature. So at the moment, no signature, we're going to create new. And then lalagyan natin siya ng pangalan. For me, this is ganyan. And then eto na yung text area. So kukunin na natin yung signature. And then, so copy and paste ang signature dito sa box. There you go. And then let's go down and save changes. There you go. So balik naman tayo ulit doon sa gear icon. And then this time, check natin kung okay ba siya. Nandun ba siya? Okay, so good. Everything's, great. And then dito naman, kasi nalimutan ko 'tong gawin, you can, put in yung signature defaults. So, puwede mong no signature sa anytime na you will get new emails or you can use or yes, you can put in, um, signature for, new emails or every time you reply. So, puwedeng meron, puwedeng wala, puwedeng, new emails lang. And then you can also put a check on this box if you want to insert signature before quoted text in reply. So every time na magre-reply ka, mako-quote yung ano, signature doon. So I don't really do that kasi parang ang kulit niya. And then let's save changes. And then babalik tayo ulit doon kasi dito naman tayo pupunta sa advanced. Dito sa advanced, ang hahanapin natin is yung templates. So usually ang default niyan is disable, but of course, that's what I'm going to create. So in-enable ko na siya and then you save the changes. So we are now going to go back to the inbox and then we're going to create our template. So sa email template, of course, first you're going to click the button compose. And then, so typically dito natin isusulat yung email natin, recipient, etc., etc. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng template. But before that, syempre, aalisin muna natin to. So, paano natin aalisin yan? You're going to click this three dots here, and then nakita nyo itong insert signature. You just need to click no signature, tas mawawala na siya. So we are now going to create our template. So here's our template. So, ayan. So, para saan ba yung template? So, kung, gusto mong maging, inbox manager or gusto mong matuto ng papaano mag-manage ng inbox, yung template is para sa mga paulit-ulit na email, para hindi ka gawa ng gawa para sa iisang, concern. Lalo na kung kunyari, maraming inquiry sa shop ng client mo or ng founder mo, hindi mo na kailangang mag-imbento ng sasabihin. You can simply create a template that you can edit. So, ito yun. So, here ang subject natin. Ano bang magandang subject dito? Sandali lang. Ah, so ito na lang. So, lalagyan ko siya ng subject. So, of course, hindi natin siya kailangan lagyan ng recipient kasi, template ang ginagawa natin, eh. So, now this is where we will save the template. So what we're going to do is go to templates and then save draft as template and save as new template. So yung subject, magiging title na niya. And there you go. So ngayon, anytime, so I'm going to close this and then let's try to compose another email. Okay, so again, andito yung ating signature. If you want to add your template with the signature, we can do it like this. So kailangan yung cursor natin nandito sa blank part ng ating email box. And then let's go click the three buttons, go to templates, and then press this. So ngayon, na-add na yung ating template with our signature and then edit na lang. So, what if I don't want to add a signature? So, Control A na lang muna natin. So we're going to, okay, sorry. For the purpose of this, let's just get another one. So, ayoko siyang may signature. We'll remove the signature and then we're going to insert the template. There you go. And then lalagay mo na lang yung email address ng papadalhan mo. Okay, so 'yan, so natutunan niyo na kung papaano gumawa ng calendar event mula sa Gmail, gumawa ng email signature, gumawa ng email template, paano tanggalin yung signature, papaano i-activate yung, template. And so I hope na nakatulong yung tutorial na 'to and, puwede niyong balik-balikan anytime yung video na 'to, kung, um, yeah, if you want to relearn it again. So that's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.